Now, not all motorcycles can be advised for new motorcycle riders, so come with us as we showcase the 10 best new beginner motorcycles of 2025. Number 10 is the Kawasaki Z400. Picture yourself riding a motorcycle that strikes the perfect balance between excitement and control. This is the Kawasaki Z400. Powered by a 399cc parallel twin engine, this bike delivers 47 horsepower, which is enough to make your first rides thrilling but not intimidating. Its 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly, letting you focus on building your confidence as a rider. Now, the Z400's lightweight trellis frame, inspired by Kawasaki's racing bikes, makes cornering effortless, while its low center of gravity helps maintain stability. The seat height of 30.9 inches suits most riders, which offers easy ground reach for better control at stops. Its design looks aggressive and modern with its angular LED headlight and sharp lines, giving it a standout personality. Now, Kawasaki also added features like assist and slipper clutch technology, which prevent the rear wheel from locking up during a downshift. And this not only makes the ride smoother, but also more forgiving for beginners who are still perfecting their clutch skills. If you're a first-time rider wanting a motorcycle that feels lively yet manageable, the Kawasaki Z400 might be for you. Number 9, the Honda Grom. Making it to number 9, it's the compact, playful, and incredibly beginner-friendly Honda Grom. This 124cc mini bike is the perfect gateway into motorcycling. Its air-cooled single-cylinder engine delivers a modest 9.7 horsepower, so it ensures that new riders aren't going to feel overwhelmed by speed. What's more, the 5-speed gearbox provides just enough engagement to help you learn the ropes of riding without complicating the process. The Grom's small size makes it feel like an extension of your body, weighing only 223 pounds. It's effortless to handle, and its 30-inch seat height and its flat, wide seat can ensure all-day comfort. Beyond practicality, the Grom oozes personality. Its bold colors and quirky design, it'll turn heads wherever it goes. And Honda has made customization a breeze, offering a variety of aftermarket accessories. Additionally, its fuel efficiency makes it one of the most economical motorcycles to own. The Honda Grom is the ultimate choice for beginners who are all about fun and not speed. The fun factor on this little machine is a 10 out of 10. Number 8, the Yamaha MT-03. Let's step into the world of motorcycling with the Yamaha MT-03. A machine that perfectly blends style, ease of use, and performance altogether. With a 321cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, the MT-03 delivers 42 horsepower, which is a sweet spot for new riders that are looking for something manageable but still exciting. The engine's smooth power delivery ensures a confidence-boosting experience, whether you're accelerating from a stoplight or cruising on open roads. This bike's upright riding position and wide handlebars make it comfortable for riders that are still adjusting to long journeys. Weighing 373 pounds, it feels light and nimble, allowing beginners to easily maneuver through busy traffic. The MT-03 features a 30.7-inch seat height, which offers stability when stopped and inspires confidence in shorter rides. Yamaha's engineers gave the MT-03 a bit of an edgy look with its aggressive front-end design and bright LED lighting, giving it a presence that feels larger than life. Its LCD instrument panel keeps you informed with a modern touch, displaying speed, fuel level, and gear position. This motorcycle leaves little to be desired by a beginner. Are you enjoying these bikes so far? Well, if you are, take a pause, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We know it's a chore, I know, it takes a lot, but your little action can help this channel stay alive and active. Number 7, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. It's sliding into number 7, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. It's a machine that's built for those who enjoy taking their time and just soaking in the experience. Powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine, the Meteor 350 delivers 20.2 horsepower and 20 feet per pounds of torque. Now, the Meteor's design draws attention with a retro look, a round headlight, and a teardrop-shaped fuel tank. It feels like a modern twist on classic motorcycles. The low seat height of 30.1 inches is perfect for a beginner, and offering a confident feel while you're at a stop. Weighing 421 pounds, the bike has a solid presence but remains manageable. A standout feature is its Tripper navigation system, a small display that pairs with your phone to provide turn-by-turn directions. This addition is especially helpful for riders that are exploring unfamiliar routes. Plus, its upright handlebars and slightly forward foot pegs make long rides more comfortable. Number 6. In 6th place is the KTM RC390. For beginners with a taste for excitement, the KTM RC390 offers a thrilling introduction to the world of sports bikes. Its 373cc single-cylinder engine produces 44 horsepower, delivering just enough power to make your rides exhilarating without going poo-poo. Now, paired with a 6-speed transmission, this RC390, it'll provide smooth shifts and precise control. This thing's awesome. It allows you to develop your skills very confidently. So this motorcycle is designed for agility. Its lightweight trellis frame and sharp handling make cornering feel natural, while its aerodynamic fairings enhance stability at higher speeds. The bike's 32.3-inch seat height might seem a bit tall, but its narrow profile ensures riders of varying heights can manage it comfortably. One of the RC390's most impressive features is its technology. It comes equipped with a TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, and even a slipper clutch. The suspension, courtesy of WP Apex, offers excellent feedback, making every twist and turn an enjoyable learning experience. Number 5, the Honda Rebel 500. Coming in at number 5 is the Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500, it ain't just a cruiser. This is a bike that feels welcoming and approachable for anyone new to riding. At its heart lies a 471cc parallel twin engine, offering 46 horsepower and a smooth, predictable power delivery. This means that you get enough performance to enjoy your rides without feeling real intimidated. But what makes the Rebel 500 so special is its design. It combines a stripped-down minimalist look with a modern edge. The low 27.2-inch seat height makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, giving riders a sense of stability when stopping or starting. At 408 pounds, it's light enough to handle easily, but still feels planted on the road. The Rebel's features are equally thoughtful. A slipper assist clutch makes shifting gears effortless, and the wide handlebars provides excellent control. Good fuel efficiency means fewer stops at the pump and more time enjoying the ride. And for those drawn to the cruiser aesthetic but hesitant about handling a bigger machine, the Rebel 500 offers a perfect balance. Number 4, the Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 is a bike that appeals to new riders that are ready to step up without losing confidence. It features a 645cc V-twin engine producing 75 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful options on the list. Despite its robust performance, the SV650 is a bit forgiving, with a linear power delivery that allows beginners to grow at their own pace. The bike's versatility is one of its strongest assets. Whether navigating city streets or tackling winding roads, the SV650 feels right at home. Its lightweight chassis and low 30.9-inch seat height make it easy to control, even for riders with less experience. The bike's slim design also helps you feel more connected to the ride. Suzuki has packed the SV650 with features that are aimed at beginners. The low RPM assist function prevents stalling during low-speed maneuvers. Plus, the digital display can keep all essential information, like your speed and fuel levels, very clear and accessible. For new riders looking for a bike that can do it all, the Suzuki SV650 offers an unbeatable mix of performance, comfort, and user-friendly design. Number 3, the Ninja 400. In third place is Kawasaki's Ninja 400. This machine houses a 399cc parallel twin engine that generates a solid 47 horsepower. It's responsive but not overwhelming, right? And that makes it ideal for new riders that want a taste of performance without sacrificing control. The Ninja 400 is built for riders who appreciate sharp looks and sporty feels. Its sleek bodywork, inspired by Kawasaki's larger Ninja models, it doesn't just turn heads, it also improves aerodynamics. At 366 pounds, it's light enough to handle confidently, but sturdy enough to inspire trust at higher speeds. The bike features a comfortable seat height of 30.9 inches, ensuring that most riders can plant their feet securely. Assist and slipper clutch, dual-channel ABS, and ride-by-wire throttle add even more confidence to your ride. The Ninja 400, it's not just a beginner bike, it's an invitation to step into the thrilling world of motorcycling with confidence. Number 2, making it to a close second, we've got the Yamaha YZF-R3. Think of the Yamaha YZF-R3 as a gateway to sports bike adventures. With the 321cc parallel twin engine delivering 42 horsepower, this motorcycle strikes just the right balance between exciting performance and easy handling. It's fast enough to keep things interesting, but forgiving enough for riders that are still mastering the art of motorcycling. Its aggressive styling borrows cues from Yamaha's high-performance R-Series bikes. It's big like its brother, the R1, but look, don't let its sharp looks fool you. This bike is built for comfort. Now, the handlebars are slightly raised, which makes the riding position less demanding than a full-fledged sports bike. It also has a lightweight chassis, a smooth 6-speed transmission, and responsive throttle that make it feel nimble. Whether you're navigating traffic or enjoying the open roads, it's equipped with ABS too, so you know you're always braking with confidence. And for new riders that are dreaming of a sports bike that's approachable and thrilling, the R3, it offers an unforgettable first step. And number 1, the top pick on our list, the Honda CB500F. The Honda CB500F feels like a perfect blend of simplicity and capability. It makes it our top choice for first-time riders. Powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine, it produces 47 horsepower, which is a sweet spot that ensures plenty of excitement without thinking that you need to change your underwear. Its smooth power delivery makes it a forgiving companion as you gain experience. One glance at the CB500F and you'll notice its clean and modern design. It doesn't scream for attention, but it carries a confident, understated appeal. At 414 pounds, it's manageable for most riders, and the 31.1-inch seat height strikes a good balance for control while it stops. This bike stands out for its practicality. Honda designed it with features that make life easier, like an assist and slipper clutch to smooth out gear changes and a digital instrument panel that displays key information at a glance. With great fuel efficiency and a 4.5-gallon fuel tank, it allows for long rides between fill-ups, which means more time on the open road. This indeed is a motorcycle to have. And that's it for today, motorcycle enthusiasts. But hey, look, leave your comments below. We love hearing from you, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome, exciting videos. From beginners to experts, we've got it all. Be sure to come back for more.